2012 Toyota Tundra 4x4. Still got factory converters. These come with 4, 2 on each side. Then we true dualed it with a Flowmaster Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides with 4-inch rolled tips right there and right there. That's how you true dual them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. If you guys want it, the muffler, you'll see the link in the description, or the tips. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2011 Nissan Titan 5.6 or 5.7 liter. What we got done on it is, still got the stock converters there and there. It's got the rear converters. And then it's comes from the factory true dual. Then we put a dual in, single out Flowmaster Super 10 into a double walled dual outlet tip. Black tip right there. Came out really nice, clean. There's the Super 10 right there. I'll let you hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2012 Dodge Ram HEMI 5.7 liter single cab. Beautiful truck. Beautimous is the word of the day. We're gonna create new words today. As you can see, still got the stock converters there and there. Then we did true duals and we crossed them over into an X-pipe. See them right there like that. It looks a lot prettier and nicer. There's the X-pipe, 3-inch. And it's got 2.5-inch pipe going in all the way right there. Then it goes all the way back into 2 Flowmaster Super 10s right there, side by side. Then we kept the same tailpipes. They were 2 1/4, and we put in 4-inch double wall tips. One right there and one right there. And there's the system. There it is right there. Hope you guys like it. Came out really nice and beautiful. Beautimous. Beautimous. Guys, enjoy. Toyota Tundra. Go ahead. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 111. Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. True dual with Super 10. And all the piping's 2 1/4. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2011 Titan 4x4 Flex Fuel. Flowmaster dual in, single out, Super 10. And a new tip. That sounds perfect. That tip changed the sound a lot. Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside in a second. You guys wanted true duals? You guys got true duals. Here you go. Give it gas. It sounds beautimous. Come on back. And this is the old stuff we cut off. The 2 tips. intermediate pipe, and the gigantic muffler. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good. Sure, just bring it on in. We'll take a look at it for you. It's free of charge to check.